Hi guys, how to apply semi-transparent color overlay in HTML and CSS. It's really simple. As you can see here we have our original image and this is after the red color overlay. On the left side we have our basic code and on the right side we have our output. As you can see now we do not have any overlay on our image, and inside the style section we called for our body where we put our background image, then the background image size cover so that it can maintain its aspect ratio. Now to add semi-transparent overlay, write box dash shadow clone inset, because it's mainly a shadow effect and we want our shadow effect to be inside the body. Then the parameters, horizontal offset, vertical offset, blur radius, then the spread radius. As we need to cover the full area of the body, so the value should be high, like 1000 pixel. Then the color RGBA, opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, semicolon, inside. Suppose we want to apply a green color overlay, so the RGB code for green color 0 to 55 0. Lastly the transparency. Suppose we want 30% transparency, so 0.3. Save, reload. See, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.